Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm getting ready to go to Walmart. This girl done tore up my daughter with the Chrysler 200. She called me the other day in panic mode. Y'all know when your child call in panic mode. Oh, it's the same type of wheel. She could actually, is this the same size? Oh, 2015. Okay. Yeah, so everything drops when my baby girl called with a problem. Well, it's an induced problem, okay? Meaning she caused the freaking problem. Alright, and this is what I'm talking about. It's the tire off her car. What in the world did you hit to cause this? I have no idea. Okay, now she was thinking the wheel needed replaced too. Although it do, but a tire wheel mounted this wheel, so we're not worrying about appearance right now. So I'm about to go to Walmart and see. It's a shame, still got some thread on it, but you can't patch that. I'm about to go to Walmart and see, that's the thing, guys. These cars don't come with no spare tire. This is a physical spare tire I got from the shop, from the dealership. Nobody in my family gonna be riding around without a spare tire with a 1-800 card and a can of Fix-A-Flat. I don't play that, guys. A physical spare tire. So like this car, it was a flat. She had a flat. I literally jumped back here and grabbed a full size tire. Matter of fact, the rims even match. I got a jack and everything right there, jacked it up and put the spare on. Didn't miss a beat, of course. All right, so yes, of course I had to end up plugging the tire and fixing the tire, but for the most part, you're not straddle. You don't have, there's no stupid 1-800 number. We got one, but I don't want to deal with all that. I want to get where I'm going. What if it's 3 o'clock in the morning? Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters? So guys, let me head on to Walmart and get a tire put on. This girl, she gonna have to learn how to put a tire on. I really want my kids knowing how to replace, change their own spare in the event there is no other option. So she thinks she too cute and too prissy to learn, but she gonna learn today. She gonna learn today. Well, I'll do my little daddy duty right now. Let me go get a tire, and we have to go put this tire back on her car. All right, guys. So stay tuned. I'll get back with y'all. Let's make it a little hard. Huh? Let's make it a little hard. So right outside. Plus, it's let's go ahead and change tires. Next one. Huh?
It's like twisted in there.
Who twisted in there?
He did, because it was.
Janae, you need to learn how to do this stuff. It just turns. What are you talking about?
Yeah, it took forever to pull out.
You need to know where all this stuff at. What was that spare tire in there?
Yeah, I knew that.
Try to take these lug nuts off.
Oh my god, I need gloves.
No, you don't. Just grab it and see.
What's your point of having a boyfriend?
Just
Do that.
no, Janae. Open the thing up.
What?
This. No, it don't turn, Janae. You gotta turn this to where it bend. Now get an angle. Take it off and get a different angle.
Like that?
If you do it like that, you're gonna have to pull. Yeah, right. Put it on like that.
And then do what?
And then you push down. All right, that's the first thing you do.
I'm sweating.
So do all of them, and then that's when you jack it up.
God.
Just so you know already how to jack a star up. See, you got to pull like that. So put it in an angle where you can push down.
Can I use my foot?
Yeah, you can use whatever you got to use. If it's an emergency, if ain't nobody around, you're going to have to know this stuff. So before you do anything, you just loosen all of them like you're doing. Put it all the way on there.
Is my car gonna go back as an even?
No, your emergency brake should be on.
It's not on.
It goes on automatic, don't it?
No. I didn't put it in that setting.
Huh?
I said no, I didn't put it in.
Well, that should be the first thing you check and make sure it's emergency brake on.
So then you put it on?
Loosen the last one. Yeah, go put the emergency brake on.
Did I unloosen all of them?
Huh?
I didn't
Yes, you did 5. Now adjust this, cause what you're gonna do is put this under this lip right here.
What is that?
You see this? Every car gotta have a lip right here. Feel right here.
Oh,
No, go on down. You ain't feel nothing.
something got in my eye.
Janae, come on. Yeah. So this gonna set. This gonna set in there.
In it?
Yeah. So bring that down far enough to get in there.
Is that good enough?
I don't know. Look and see. Put it under that seat. Will it line up right?
Yeah.
Now start raising it up with your hand.
With my hand?
Yeah, turning it. Make sure it line up with that line on the car. All right, now feel under here so you can see what I'm talking about. The rail got to set in that center.
Oh, like this has to be in between.
Yeah, because you finna lift up on that. Now start turning it to let it up.
Okay.
Now grab the jack and start turning it. The car gonna start going up.
Turning this.
Yeah,
Which way, right?
the same way you was turning it with your hand to let it up. We're going up. Oh, because when you get tight, you have to use the angle. You see that? Okay. Keep going. It's off the ground.
It's turning a little bit.
All right, now take the rest of the lugs off. Use the same tool. You gotta take the bolts out. They're not tight now. That's why you unloosen them while the tire's still on the ground.
Which way was it?
Off, Janae. You're tightening it up by going that way. That was a hard one. Go all the way. It'll be all the way on. You just hold it. Now take the tire off.
Fire. What am I supposed to do with these?
Just move them out the way.
Now take this one.
Just roll it over here.
What are you doing? I gotta turn it. Ew. Is this an old tire? I would pay $75 for an old tire.
Put that tire on there. That's a new tire.
Dirty.
So you have to get. These are different lug nuts. So you have to get on the ground. Just need to line up. It's really good onto the. It's already on it. That's not real tight, but that's the tightest you're gonna get it because it's still off the ground. Now let the car all the way down. I think the wheel looks as tight as you can get it. All the way on there. All right, guys, mission accomplished. Oh man, that is a little extreme but gotta know these things, especially if you're in an emergency state. So that's hopefully she's never in that position, but just in case you is and I'm not around or whoever else is not around, you got a pretty good idea. The understanding to get the car up in the air. First, loosen the lug nuts so you won't have to fight with the lug nuts while you in the air. So the first thing first, let's get the car at a stable position. God forbid you on the head, it's even rough. It's even harder. But told her how to prop things up behind the wheel so it won't move. But it's only so much you can do, guys. You're not around your kids at all the time. Look at that oldie but goodie there. Wow. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm done with my daddy's duties. I have to go home and prepare for a live stream 2 giveaway. Now, this video will not air before this giveaway, but if you won, congratulations. Let me put it like that. All right, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.